ISTQB Foundation Level, question 493. Consider the three triggers for maintenance and match the event with the correct trigger. 1. Data conversion from one system to another. 2. Upgrade of COTS software. 3. Test of data archiving. 4. System now runs on a different platform and operating system. 5. Testing restore or retrieve procedures. 6. Patches for security vulnerabilities. Answers: A. Modification are 2 and 3. Migration are 1 and 5. Retirement are 4 and 6. B. Modification are 2 and 6. Migration are 1 and 4. Retirement are 3 and 5. C. Modification are 2 and 4. Migration are 1 and 3. Retirement are 5 and 6. D. Modification are 1 and 5. Migration are 2 and 3. Retirement are 4 and 6. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Let's look at all the statements from 1 to 6. Statement 1 refers to migration. This option is migration because data is being transferred to a new system. Statement 2 refers to modification. This option is a planned enhancement or modification. Statement 3 refers to retirement. This option is a retirement activity as it ensures long-term data storage. Statement 4 refers to migration. This option represents an environment upgrade which falls under migration. Statement 5 refers to retirement. When an old system is retired, retrieving archived data must be verified. Statement 6 refers to modification. Security patches are a type of corrective maintenance. In summary, all of the above leads us to the correct answer B. Modification are 2 and 6. Migration are 1 and 4. Retirement are 3 and 5. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows: modifications, such as planned enhancements, i.e. release-based, corrective changes, or hot fixes, options 2 and 6. Upgrades or migrations of the operational environment, such as from one platform to another, which can require tests associated with the new environment as well as of the changed software, or tests of data conversion when data from another application is migrated into the system being maintained. Options 1 and 4. Retirement, such as when an application reaches the end of its life. When a system is retired, this can require testing of data archiving if long data retention periods are required. Options 3 and 5. This is consistent with the correct answer B. I believe in your hard working and thank to watching my video channel to pass ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Don't stop, never give up.